Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of flavor with a mouth-watering journey on how to create the easiest, juiciest lamb chops marinade for your barbecue, or as we call it in South Africa, a braai. If you're new to my channel, please be kind enough to subscribe. So let's fire up those grills and get started. To start, wash and clean 2 kgs of lamb chops and place this over an oven tray. To this, add 2 teaspoons of fine salt. Then add in 2 teaspoons of crushed black pepper and also add in 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Always use a good quality brand of spices. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce over this, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or 1 lemon squeezed, and also 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Give this a good mix and leave to marinate for a few hours or overnight. Place in a refrigerator if left to marinate overnight. To braai these, use a charcoal or gas grill. Here we're using a charcoal grill. This just adds a lovely smoky flavor to the meat. Grill on the highest heat, which means the lowest the grill can be placed, and then raise the grill so that it can cook evenly and properly without getting burnt. Once the lamb chops have been perfectly grilled, remove them from the grill and place them into a bowl. Then it's time to make the lamb chops sauce. To a pot or saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of sriracha or hot sauce of your choice. Then add in 1 cup of barbecue sauce, half a cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Make sure it's a good brand. Mix all of this together and then place over low heat for about 5 minutes. Pour this over the grilled lamb chops. Garnish with some chopped spring onion. And you're ready to serve. Enjoy this with your family and friends, and let me know how it turned out if you do try this recipe. See you in the next vlog.